Hi, I'm Sheila Duchak. I'm a junior teacher and the Eco Lead at Donald Cousins Public School. I am so lucky to work with an amazing group of students, and they inspire me so much with their passion, with their hard work, with the energy that they put into eco at our school. And it really gives me hope for the future when we've got young people like this fighting for their future.
So every year we send an application to Eco Schools, and in this application we talk about all the various things that we've done, such as our monthly initiatives, bike night, the challenges we've entered. So for a couple of years we've gotten a platinum status, the highest one, but we've never really been recognized as being placed. But this year we placed second in all of Canada, which our Eco crew was really excited, surprised, and just happy about.
So I think it's important for students to take action for the environment, and we believe that it's important for climate change to reduce. That's why the Eco program is in our school, to educate young children about the world and why it's important to protect the environment.
Being outside can help you mentally and physically. So mentally you can your brain is more relaxed, perform better in academics, and for physically you can, walking is good for your body.
We have 3 levels of eco at Donald Cousins. We have the Eco Sprouts, which are our primary students from 1 to 3, and really what we're trying to do there is we're trying to inspire our younger students to get out in nature, to learn more about the environment. Our next level is our Eco Dragons, and those are our students from grades 4 to 8. And they meet every week, and each month they present to their class a monthly initiative based around an eco issue, and then they have a monthly challenge that they complete as a group. And then our final group is our Eco Crew, and our Eco Crew are our Eco Leaders. They range from grade 5 to 8, and they really plan a lot of the initiatives that happen at the school. They do the monthly slide decks, they run the eco evenings that we have, or volunteer at things like our fun fair, our bike night, and they also work with the Eco Sprouts.
In May, we decided to plant some herbs in the outside garden bed. So some of them include sage, thyme, oregano, and cilantro, and we also hope to move the marigolds and tomatoes outside into the garden later. Now, the goal of our garden was to essentially have an interactive and engaging experience with the primaries, as well as to make a garden which this community can come and pick herbs if they need them.
These are birdhouses and bat boxes made by my grandfather and donated to the school when he learned that we were trying to promote biodiversity by putting up houses for animals in our neighborhood.
This is our artwork, and we included a lot of different natural elements, such as the animals, the trees, the grass, etc. And here the water connects all of us. Water is essential for all living beings.
Our artwork was about the different elements of art, and we showed them some artwork at the end and told them to create some ephemeral art, which is, if you don't know, it's art that is temporary. We use things from nature, rocks, stones, sticks, leaves.
We also did litter cleanup. So basically we took out the Eco Dragons out.
It's really nice to receive the applause award and be recognized by YRDSB, because it shows they value eco leadership at schools, and YRDSB is a really big school board. So it's nice that we specifically got recognized, and it shows that even in this small little community that we mean a lot to YRDSB.
I'm so proud, and I'm just so grateful for that opportunity for these students to be recognized. And like anything, it's something that they've been building towards for years. Like, to see these kids come up from their younger grades and right into intermediate and still have that passion for the environment, and to be leaders and to make a difference in the school. And not only for the school to recognize it, but for it to be recognized across the country is incredible.